Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nuraitan binti Abdullah and I am an Islamic education teacher deeply passionate about transforming religious pedagogy through technology. In my classroom, Islamic study is not just about memorization, it's about interactive exploration. I love using Google to bring history and value to life, whether that's having students collaborate on dynamic presentation, slide about historical figures or building automated tracking system to monitor student progress and attendance seamlessly. My goal is to empower fellow educators to break the stereotype of traditional religious learning. I want to show them how simple digital workflow can save time, boost student engagement, and build meaningful data-driven classroom. Hi everyone, I will show you how to create hybrid game with Google Slide. Okay, what you need, design your layout. Okay, you need three things. First, the main board slide, and then question slide. Lastly, result slide, wrong or correct answer. Okay, go to the main board slide, click any picture, and then hyperlink your picture to the question slide. Okay, like this. And okay, and then go to the question answer and hyperlink the answer button one by one to your result slide, wrong or correct answer. Okay, now go to the result slide. Don't forget to connect or link your back button to mainboard player. Okay, now we can play our hybrid game. Okay, click any picture and answer your question. Okay, like this, and then go back. Okay, already you can do it by yourself. Bye.